This is my DIY website shop. I will click on the shop link over there to show you all the items I'm selling. And I will now enable the categories feature that will show a list of categories for my shop. For that, I will go to the admin panel, shop. These are all my items, but on top I have a few more buttons, and I will go to shop settings. Then I will enable show categories to the users and save. Now if I go back to my shop, the categories I have are listed here on the left. And I already set a category for all these items. Let's see how I can set a category for an item. Admin panel, shop, select an item, for example, Irish breakfast. Category is the field that we have to change, and I will add breakfast here. If the category you want to select is not present within the list, you can just type it. And then the drop down will suggest you to add it to the categories list. Now save. And let's check the shop again. Now I have a new category. It's called dinner. And I have one item there. But because I selected two categories for that item, the same item will appear in breakfast as well as dinner. Removing a category from an item is straightforward. Shop. Edit the item you want to remove the category. Click on the X. Save. Removing the category completely can be done through that button on top that says shop categories, and you can maintain the list of all category tags over here. If you have a typo, you can change it, or you can completely delete that category, as well as you can get a link to that specific category, so when that is being opened from the users, they will land on a page that shows items under the lunch category.